Guys, welcome in my channel Network and Desktop Support. Today I will show you how to solve the request timeout problem. This is the router first, this is the router second, and this is the router third. And I have noted this IP address for your reference. You can understand this IP address for the particular interfaces. I have given the note there. So let's start this video. Here I configured the all types of password on these three routers, and here also serial interface and IP address 192.168.1.1 and 222.55.240, and this is the fast Ethernet 0/0, and IP address is 10.0.0.1 255.240 240.0.0. bandwidth is 64 and no shutdown. And save this configuration with do wr command, and I will go on router second. This is the router second. Here I already configured the all types of password on these routers. Now I will open the configuration terminal mode. So first enable to configuration terminal. Here I will configure the three types of interface: serial 1/0, serial 1/1, and fast Ethernet 0/0. First I will configure the serial 1/0. IP address is 192.168.1.2 and 255.252, and enter. Clock rate is 64,000, bandwidth is 64, and interface serial 1/1, IP address is 192.168.2.1 and 222.55.252. Clock rate is 64,000, bandwidth is 64 and no shutdown. Now I will configure fast Ethernet 0/0. This is the interface fast Ethernet 0/0. IP address is 20.0.0.1 255.240.0.0. Enter, and bandwidth is 64 and no shutdown. Save this configuration with do wr command. Now I will go on router third. Password is already assigned. I will go on configuration terminal mode. Enable mode to configuration terminal mode. Interface serial 1/0. IP address is 192.168.2.2 and 222.55.240, and enter. Clock rate is 64,000 and bandwidth is 64. Enter, and no shutdown. Now I will configure fast Ethernet 0/0. Enter, and IP address is 30.0.0.1 255.240.0.0. bandwidth is 64 and no shutdown. Save this configuration with do wr command. After that I will configure the protocol, which is a OSPF. I am configuring these interfaces with OSPF classless. Network is 192.168.1.0 and 000.15 space area 100, and second network is 10.0.0.0 entry space 0.15 255 space area space 100, and save this configuration with do wr command. Now I will go on router second. There I will configure the interfaces, network interfaces, router OSPF 1. Now I am on router second. Here I will enter the router OSPF 1 command and enter. Network is 192.168.1.0 and 000.15. and space area space 100. Second network is 192.168.2.0 000.15 space area space 100 and enter. Third network is a 13.0.0.0 space 0.5 0.15 255.255 space area space 100 and enter. Now I will go on router third. I am showing you, this is the interfaces. You can see this is the fast Ethernet, and above are there two interface, serial 1/0 and serial 1/1. There you can see I have given already notes at there. Now I am on router third. Enter the router OSPF 1 command and network is 192.168.2.0 which is connected to router second, and subnet mask wildcard mask is 0.0.0.15 space area space 100. Enter. And second network is a 20.0.0.0.0 sorry 13.0.0.0 space 0.15.255.255 space area space 100 and save this configuration with do wr command. Now I will ping from router first desktops. First I will ping that particular desktop self which is a 10.0.0.2. Now I'll ping on switch which is the IP address is 10.0.0.1. Now I'll ping on router first which is IP address 1.2 192.168.1.2. Now I'll ping on router second which is a serial 1/0. That is just showing request timeout. This is the actual error on this video, and we can solve this problem easily. First check the command, go to the router first, check the go to the enable mode and enter there show startup config command. See there all types of configuration, serial interfaces and fast Ethernet interfaces. Check the IP addresses and confirm what is the subnet mask, what is the IP address. Here is everything is fine. Now I will go on router second and enter there show startup config command. Here I already configure which is a 192.168.1.2 and 222.55.252 and network is already 240. So I here configured 252 is a wrong network. Now I will configure the perfect network which is connected to router first and router second. Now I will go on interface serial 1/0. IP address is 192.168.1.2 and 222.55.240. This is the correct network. And clock rate is 64,000 and bandwidth is 64. And no shutdown. Save this configuration to do WR. Now I will came on desktop. Now I will ping 1.2. The ping is successful. There is showing. Like this we can solve the request time of problem. now I will ping on 2.1. There is ping successful. Now I will ping on router third, which is the interface serial 1/0. There is also showing request timeout problem. So I already faces this problem, and how to solve this problem. Again I will show you how to solve this problem. Go on router second and go to the enable mode and enter there show startup config command, and enter there we can see serial interface 1/1. What is the IP address we have assigned? 192.168.2.1 and 222.55.252. Here we can see we have already given their wrong subnet mask. So I will go on interface serial 1/0 and IP address is 192.168.2.1 and 222.55.240. This is the correct network. Clock rate is 64,000 and bandwidth is 64 and no shutdown. This connectivity is showing neighbor is connected. OSPF adjacency is process 1 and neighbor is 192.168.2.2. Now I will go on desktop, which is connected to router first, and now I will ping 2.2. This ping is successful. Like this we can solve the request timeout problem. We have to see what is the IP address, what is the subnet mask, and we have to find correct IP address and subnet mask. And this is the only one problem there can be, and we have to assign the all correct IP addresses and subnet mask for resolving this request timeout error. So like this you can solve the error, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget like and subscribe.